Categories are types or groups of assets. This is a great way to organize your assets and keep similar assets grouped together. To choose the categories you want to include in the gray trunk system, simply click the checkboxes next to the category name and then click Save. If you want to select all the categories that are listed, click the top left checkbox and then hit Save. You can have as many categories as you want in the gray trunk platform. If you want to add your own category, simply hit Add Category and then input the name of the category you want to add. Hit Done to save the category. Find the category, click the checkbox, and then hit Save to add it to the gray trunk system. You can easily delete the categories that you don't want to see by simply clicking the trash can icon.